If you want to know how can you add pin to your Roblox app or your Roblox account in general, today in this video I'll show you exactly how. So all you need to do for this video is to follow carefully with me till the very end and I'll show you exactly how. First, of course, you go ahead and open the Roblox game and wait for it to fully load up. Once it does, tap on the three dots in the bottom right corner, then scroll down and tap on settings. Once you open settings, go ahead and tap on parental controls right there. Wait for a couple of seconds for this next screen to load up. Now once it does, you need to turn on this toggle next to parent pin is disabled to enable it. So tap right there. Set up the pin by entering it twice to confirm it. I'm gonna put in a random one as you can see here in the screen. Tap on add in the bottom right here. You will be required to put in the password of the account, and just like that you have added the pin to your Roblox. And that is it for this video, guys. If it was helpful, please like and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe for future videos like this one, and thank you for watching.